Tikupitiriza kuyang'ana chemical bonding by looking at covalent bonding. Unlike ionic bonding, covalent bonding imachitika between ma nonmetals amene electronegativity yake imakhala yofanana. Komanso covalent bonding ikhoza kuchitika between ma metals amene so electronegativity yawo ili yofanana. In short, covalent bonding ikuchitika when ma atoms ali ndi electronegativity similar to each other, therefore akungopanga share my electrons instead of one atom losing an atom, rather an electron, kuti atom inayo ipange gain that lost electron. Zango chitika kuti nthawi zambiri covalent bonding imapangidwa witness mu ma nonmetals amene they are more likely to gain electrons. Komano covalent bonding is all about sharing of electrons, specifically ma electrons amene amakhala mu valence shell. Ndeno taonaso kuti this is happening because the atoms have similar electronegativities. Now, mu covalent bonding, ma atom amagawana ma electrons. So, amagawana ma pairs of electrons. So, kunena kuti sharing of electrons, it's not complete until tipange mention kuti they share pairs of electrons. Kungopanga demonstrate mwachangu tikakhala tili ndi atom X ndi tili ndi atom Y, ili ndi atom imodzi mu valence shell, iso ili ndi atom imodzi. Instead of kuti either of these two atoms apange lose my electrons, apange donate to the other atom, we will need these two electrons kuti apange contribute to each other so that valence shell ya wina aliyense ikhale full. Now chifukwa kuti ma atom alipo awiri, it to make a pair such that my electrons rather my atoms tikabwesa pakamodzi X and Y, they will share two electrons, which is a pair of electrons. Now you will notice in the definition kuti pairs of electrons zomwe zikutanthauza kuti we can have a covalent bond. So this brings us to types of covalent bonding. We can have covalent bonding ya one pair ngati yomwe taona apa pai. Tikuzokhala covalent bonding in which the atoms are sharing two pairs of electrons. We can have a covalent bond in which the atoms are sharing three pairs of electrons. By sharing these electrons, zimalolera kuti ma atoms onsewa akhale ndi stability yayikulu than iliyonse kumapanga exist payokha. So by sharing electrons, they all attain stability. Now, awawa per se sima types of covalent bonding, komano ngati explanation yokuti type yoyamba ndiyo tani. Type yoyamba ndi pair of electron. Now imagine we've been told kuti tiwaone sema electrons ngati mene tinaonesera apa. There's one way of representing bond iyi. Tikhoza kujambula straight line between X and Y. This straight line represents ma electron awiri amene X and Y akupanga share. That's why we are calling this a shared pair of electrons. We can represent it by this. Koma, let's say we had a scenario where there were two pairs of electrons shared. So instead of two, electrons shared. Let's say we had maybe 2 pairs of electrons between X and Y. So between X and Y, we had this pair and this pair. So this is pair 1, this is pair 2. They are shared between X and Y. Ngati tikugwisa ntchito line kupanga represent pair imodzi, ndi kuti tikhoza kuonjezera line ina to represent the other pair of shared electrons. Ngati mmene taonera apa pakuti a covalent bond can be taken up by 2 pairs of electrons. Zomwe zikutibweresano ku the real names of these covalent bonding types. So type yoyambirira yomwe tikupanga share just 1 pair of electrons tikuitchula single bond or single covalent bond. Type yachiwiri chifukwa kuti apapa tili ndi ma pairs awiri. This is what we call a double covalent bond, or simply just double bond. So tikuzongopanga so conclude kuti therefore ngati tili ndi 3 pairs of electrons, imeneyo automatically ili pasa triple bond. Other types of bonds ndi otheka koma they are very rare and zimatengera kuti ma atoms omwe ali involved ndi atiwo. So these are the common types of covalent bonding, and they are existing by the sharing of electrons between ma atoms. Ndiye pomalizira tingoona chisanzo chabwino cha covalent bonding. Tiona molecule ya water. Water formula H2O. Now oxygen, tiyambe kuyang'ana each of these independently. From the formula tikutaona kuti tili ndi ma hydrogen atom awiri, tili ndi oxygen atom imodzi. Ndiye tione iliyonse payokha. Hydrogen ndi group 1 element. Group 1 element ali ndi 1 electron mu valence shell, or 1 valence electron. Hydrogen winayonso ndi chimodzimodzi, 1 valence electron. Pomwe oxygen is a group 6 element. Group 6 element ali ndi 6 valence electrons. To attain stability, oxygen needs 2 electrons. So mukusoma chifukwa kuti taona kale ionic bonding, komanso tikudziwa kuti most group 1 elements amapanga lose ma electrons to become positively charged ions. Koma we should remember kuti hydrogen is a gas. It does not have metallic properties ngati solid metals, mene tinaonera sodium, magnesium. So in most cases hydrogen amapanga act ngati non-metal. So instead of losing my electrons, hydrogen amapanga share my electrons ake kwa oxygen. Koma chifukwa chokuti hydrogen ali ndi electron imodzi yokha mu valence shell, that's why we need another hydrogen atom kuti ipange provide the remaining 1 electron. So if it needs 2 electrons, these 2 electrons must come from 2 hydrogen atoms. 2 hydrogen atoms, such that oxygen with its 6 valence electrons, it will take 1 electron from 1 hydrogen and it will take another Okay, let me use a different color. And it will take another electron from the remaining hydrogen atom to form two covalent bonds with each of these hydrogen atoms. So apa tikhati ndi covalent bond apa tikhati ndi covalent bond iyi, mbali inayinso tikhati ndi covalent bond iyi. In short tikusapanga represent kuti tili ndi hydrogen akupangidwa bond to oxygen amene akupangidwa bond to another hydrogen. Now this is the structure, the covalent structure of water, in which oxygen amapangidwa bond to two hydrogen atoms, and each of these bonds is a covalent bond because it involves the sharing of pairs of electrons. So in short, that's it about covalent bonding. In the next video tuzapanga explore the final type, which is metallic bonding.